Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Can you see the beauty? Can you see the hair? Okay, stay tuned, okay? So in today's video, we'll be doing the famous messy bun. And in less than 10 minutes, you're going to achieve this style. It's very simple, you guys. Very simple. I started off with a freshly washed hair. I washed my hair the previous day. So we are not using any product here. We didn't stretch the hair with any heat. I just twisted it and it stretched. So if you want to know how I did that, there's a video or a link in my description box. You click on it to be able to watch that video. I cannot talk. Wow. So let's begin, shall we? I started off here by sectioning my front hair just because I didn't want it to be tensioned, and I also wanted to work in sections. That was the reason why I did that. And I just use water. I'll be combing my hair with or brushing my hair with a brush, and then I'll just tie it, then work with the front section as well. It is very easy. I'm not going to be talking too much in this video. I'd want you to watch and enjoy. I'm losing my faith. I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Everything is looking good at this point, so I'll be using my edge control to just tame the edges, and I'm just bringing a section out to curl it. So it's nothing much. It's nothing nobody has tried before. I'm just using the edge control, so we are not using any hair product aside. And so simple. I'm just spraying water
as well. Okay, so we are all done, and right now we just have to comb all the hair to the back. So that's exactly what I'm doing here in this video. Please, if you're new here, please don't make it your last. Subscribe, and turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload, you'll be notified. Okay? Okay. So easy. In less than 10 minutes. The finished look is so beautiful, classy, elegant, and all that good stuff.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond.
So all is set. We are going to scarf this hair down for some time and then fix our bun. So that's what we are about to do. So I went ahead to grab this, is it body wave? I don't even know I don't know the name. It's body, I think it's body wave. I'll just check and be sure. I just grabbed 2 bundles. We are not going to be sewing, we are not going to be gluing anything. We are just pinning. That's why I'm saying that this hair is so easy to achieve. This hairstyle is so easy to achieve. Okay, so I'm just pinning my hair out of the way so that we are able to start with the bun. So please make sure you have pins around, bobby pins. And then before we start, I would just, oh, this thing is worrying me. I would just clip the first end with the help of a bobby pin to my hair to be able to get it secured, to secure it. Then we'll just wrap the bundle of hair around the base. We'll just be wrapping around the base, and that is it. That is it. I used 2 bundles for this, and it turned out so well, as you saw in the beginning. So we'll just be wrapping, and after that secure it with another bobby pin, and we'll move on to the next bundle, and that is it, guys. So easy, so simple. Now that we are done, you could see that the hairstyle is coming together. So I'm just, because it's messy bun, please do as you please. You could just wrap it around and bring out some curls. Be free. Do whatever you want to do. After all, it's a messy bun. So yeah, I was just bringing out some curls, and if you need to pin, feel free to do so. Okay, so just bring out some curls if you want. If you want it more than what I did, go ahead. If you do not want it like this, do you, baby girl, do you? So that is it. Yeah, almost done. Yeah, so easy, so easy. You don't need, you don't need any tools for this. Just your bobby pins, your hair, and yeah, that's it. That's it. You don't need any gel, you don't need anything. This is so easy to do. So I'll be going ahead to spray my leave out, and I would add some curling cream to it just to make it a bit curly, and that'll be it for this look.
Can't turn down the noise, tear all the worries out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to
Take a minute and appreciate this beauty, please. Let me know it in the comment section. Please let me know it, okay? Let me know your thoughts on this hairstyle. And let me know if you also be trying it as well. So we've come to the end of this video. Please subscribe, turn on your post notification, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay tuned, guys. Bye.
Child, don't forget who you